Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be going over the Wasabi dual charger for the GoPro MAX. Now, I recently got an extra pair of Wasabi power batteries because my GoPro MAX was no longer working. So I initially had thought that I had to get a brand new GoPro MAX, but eventually I came to the realization that all I needed was to see if the battery was dead. And so I bought this came in a two pack. It's a Wasabi batteries two pack with a charger that's included. The charger can be charged via USB-C or micro USB cable. But with the two batteries that's included with it, it does get my GoPro Max to actually work. So I no longer have to buy a new one. And not only that, but I now have an extra battery in case my first battery dies. But would definitely vouch for Wasabi Power as far as having two extra batteries for your GoPro Max. I've had no problems with it whatsoever.